Good morning, children. This is your GSC class standard 1. We will continue our online classes. Chapter 12 Safety First on page 72. Let us see what is safety. If we are careless, we can get hurt. Whenever you get hurt, tell your parents or teachers in the school. Always follow the safety rules to remain safe. Children, if we are careless, then only we will get hurt. And whenever you will get hurt, we have to tell our parents or teacher. If we are in school, then we will tell to our teacher. And we have to follow the safety rules to remain safe. What is safety rules? Let us learn. Safety rules on the road. On the road, what is the safety rules? Follow the traffic lights. Children, you may have seen that on the road there have three signals. Red light says stop. This red light says stop. And yellow light says wait. And green light says go. These three signals we have seen in the road, in the traffic. And that red light says to stop. And yellow light says wait. And green says go. Always walk on the footpath. Footpath, you see, this is road, side one is footpath. And if you want to cross a road, wait for the traffic light to turn red. Vehicle stop at the red light. And if you want to cross the road, you have to wait for the light to turn red. For red light says vehicles to stop. At the time you cross the road. And cross the road at the zebra crossing only. You cross the road at the zebra crossing only. This is zebra crossing. If traffic light is not there on the road, then before crossing it, look to your right, then to the left, again to your right. Cross the road only when it is clear. And if there is no light on the road, how you will cross the road? You look at your left, again right, again left, then you cross the road when it is clear. Never run or play on the road. Like this. Never run on the road because vehicle is coming. Safety rules at school. What is the safety rules at school? Let us learn. Do not push each other while coming up or going down the stairs. Do not jump on desk or chair. Children, when you are coming down or going up on the stairs, do not push or pull others because they may fall. Okay. And do not jump on the desk or chair. Safety rules while traveling by bus. Do not peep out of the window of a moving bus. Like this. You do not peep out your head. Moving on the moving bus. If you want to get in or get off, wait for the bus to stop. Never get in or out of a moving bus. And the bus is moving. You don't get off or get in. Wait for your turn while getting on or off the bus. And you have to wait for your turn to get on or get off the bus. Safety rules at school. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, scissors or blade. you may hurt yourself. Children, you know that the sharp objects like knives, scissors, blade, if you will play with that, you may get hurt. Okay, so don't play with sharp objects. Do not play with fire. Do not play with electric switch or plug. You do not play with fire. See, this girl is playing with fire. She may get hurt, yes or no? Yes. And do not play with electric switch or plugs. You may get electric shock. Safety rules while swimming. Do not go alone for swimming. Do not go to the deeper side of the pool. And in the swimming, while you are playing in the pond, if you don't know swim, you don't play in the water and don't go for deeper side. If you do not know how to swim, you say swimming tub while swimming. See, this child doesn't know, so he used swimming tub. Safety rules while playing. Always play in the open space or playground. Never play on a open terrace. You play open space or playground. Playground you play, but never play on an open terrace. On the terrace you don't play.